because I see most girls look down on themselves because maybe you feel like you're not up to this standard, or maybe you're no better than this person. But I just want to inform you today that we all know what a girl child is, right? A girl child is the female born, the female being. So as a girl child, you are a queen, you are a ruler. I just want to encourage you today that do not look down on yourself. Don't let the world see the worst part of you, because what a man can do, a woman can do better. So as a girl, we see a lot of female child doing a lot for their families, even in the society, in the country. So as a girl child, don't think because you're not a man, you cannot do this. I want to encourage you today to come out, stand out. Whatever you know you can do as a girl, do it, and then the world will celebrate you. I know places that I've been to, know my small stature, but because I know I'm a girl child, because I know I'm a queen, because I know I am a warrior, I always fight to make sure I am heard, to make sure that I go out there. So today, I'm joining my hands with all the girls here. I want us to stand out as queens. It will not be bad if we have a girl who is the ruler of anything in this community, or in the society, or in the country. So as a girl child, don't let the man say, go to the kitchen. You don't belong to the kitchen all the time. As a girl, we need to see you out there. We want to see more girls do a lot. Like the winner of Miss Nigeria. I remember I trained someone to go for Miss Nigeria because I love girls. I love to encourage girls to push forward. Even if she did not win, but she had connections. The people, she had Instagram followers by celebrities. Because I have this passion for girl child. So if you're a girl child today, if you have anything that bothers you, you can also reach out to me, or you can reach out to our leaders. Okay? I don't want you to feel like you're not enough. You are enough. Say to yourself, say, I am enough. I am enough. I am a queen. I am a queen. I am strong. I am strong. Yes, we girls, we are strong. The word, so let me tell you one secret. Most times the men, they're always scared. If you check, if you're married, the husbands most times look up to their wives because they might feel like you have more ideas to give to them. We know that men are the head of the family, but as the lady, we support them, we advise them, we stand by them. Most times they feel weak, but with the words from our mouths as ladies, as a girl child, they can do it. So we are always there for them, and we're always there for the world. So please, girls today, don't say you can't do it. I want you to come out. Anything you want to do, anything you want to become, look to the mirror, tell yourself every day, do an affirmation every day that you can do it. So with that, I actually, the part the girl child thing is, because I know most of you are growing. So I got few of my people to partner with me. I came here with pads. We all know, those that have started the circle know what the use of pad is. You know how to use a pad. So I don't want you to use clothes, things that might give you infections, or things that might give you rashes, or don't use the tissues that might stain you. So today I came with pad. I'm padding the girl child today, and I also have books I want to give to the guys too, and the ladies, whoever I can get to. I want you all to use this to remember that yes, I was here. In case tomorrow I present you somewhere else in the world. Thank you so much.
So it is not easy to be a beauty celebrity. There are two things that are important. You should be beautiful physically, and you should be beautiful mentally. Look at the what I said. Anybody from Mike anywhere that's the school. Who know the quiz? Is that the secondary school quiz? Who know that? Huh?
One by one, please. When you want to get na school, you know, you should get to primary school, you should get come on go secondary school, come on go university. Ambition on Omega University, war doctor, war nurses, war engineers, because everywhere all those things now, this is our area. Take a ride, no matter how the economy, I can. So one as you should get now one national agreement. This support magazine on and when you don't get too big, you don't get too small. And the lot of that can be you support. Don't support on this magazine, support 200,000. I have a 2023. Any more here? I don't know how many man was okay. Look, no, on a main. One in the all so, back away also, I don't know when I have the people who support that. All this way, what I have to do that. Can I go to 2023? I'm not probably so, I don't have to have allow with smile. Based on official word, they won't matter. The teachers know that she can't support them. I check because of Jesus.